Hey there. Welcome back to my channel where we talk about all things personal finance. Today, we're going to dive into the basics: budgeting, saving, and investing. These three pillars are crucial for anyone looking to take control of their financial future. So let's get started. First up, let's talk about budgeting. Budgeting is all about understanding where your money is going and making intentional decisions about how you want to allocate it. It's like having a roadmap for your finances. To create a budget, start by tracking your income and expenses. Take a look at your bank statements, credit card bills, and receipts from the past few months. Categorize your expenses into essential categories like rent, utilities, groceries, transportation, and discretionary categories such as entertainment and dining out. Once you have a clear idea of where your money is going, it's time to make some adjustments. Look for areas where you can cut back on unnecessary spending and redirect those funds towards your financial goals. Remember, budgeting is not about deprivation, but rather about aligning your spending with your priorities. After you've set your budget, it's essential to track your progress regularly. This can be done using an app, a spreadsheet, or simply pen and paper. The key is to stay accountable to your spending and make adjustments as needed. Budgeting is a skill that takes practice, so be patient with yourself and keep tweaking until you find a system that works for you. Now, let's move on to saving. Saving is the foundation of a solid financial plan. It provides a safety net for emergencies and helps you achieve your financial goals. One of the most effective methods of saving is to pay yourself first. This means setting aside a portion of your income before spending on other discretionary items. Treat savings as a non-negotiable monthly expense, just like paying rent or utilities. To make saving easier, automate the process. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a dedicated savings account. This way, you won't even have to think about saving. It'll happen seamlessly in the background. Another important aspect of saving is creating an emergency fund. This is a stash of cash that you can tap into when unexpected expenses arise. Aim to have at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved up. Start by setting aside a small percentage of your income each month until you reach this goal. Having an emergency fund provides peace of mind and prevents you from relying on credit cards or loans when life throws you a curveball. Once you have your budget and savings on track, it's time to turn your attention to investing. Investing is all about putting your money to work for you. It's a long-term strategy that can help you grow your wealth over time. While investing may seem intimidating, it's not as complicated as it may appear. The first step in investing is understanding your risk tolerance and financial goals. Ask yourself how much risk you are comfortable with and what you hope to achieve in the long run. This will help guide your investment decisions. Next, educate yourself about different investment options. There are several avenues you can explore, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Each has its pros and cons, so take the time to research and understand the basics of each before jumping in. Diversification is key when it comes to investing. Spreading your investments across different asset classes and industries can help reduce risk. Consider investing in a mix of stocks, bonds, and other asset classes to create a well-rounded portfolio. Lastly, stay informed but don't get caught up in short-term market fluctuations. Investing is a long-term game, and trying to time the market rarely works out well. Instead, focus on your goals and stay disciplined with your investment strategy. So there you have it, the basics of personal finance: budgeting, saving, and investing. By incorporating these three pillars into your financial routine, you'll be well on your way to achieving financial security and building wealth. Remember, personal finance is a journey, so be patient, stay focused, and keep learning along the way.